Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will make some ice cream and give to Pinky and Bluey. They will come later. And this time we have a new thing for Pinky and Bluey. And you know that time I make a lot of money. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. We have $600. So it's enough to buy a lot of juice. And we need to put that blender here, not here. So we're gonna put it over here. Side like this. Turn our new blender machine. See how beautiful is it? It has ocha, orange, and water. So if someone's thirsty, they can drink some water. And Pinky and Blue is here. Hi friends, we are here, and here we are with a new blender. Wow, we'll have some juice this time. No more ice cream. Yes. First fix your glasses. Oh, my hard glasses. It's my favorite one. Yes, stop talking. Why you always be rude with me? Because you're too... Okay, nothing. Stop. And here is your coins. Yay! We have a lot of coins. Yes, you have. Now we can go drink some juice. So first, Bluey got one. Yes. Which kind of juice do you want, Bluey? I think I will get orange juice. You're small yet. What? No, I'm not. Then we're getting a kid's juice. Just press the orange juice. I want this one. Let's get the orange juice for you. Yay! Oopsie. It's a little mess. Here is your oranges. Thank you. And this is Pinky's turn. Let's get a coin. It's a beautiful one. Let's put it in the blender. Like this. Which kind of you want? I'm grown, so I'm gonna have ocha. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Pinky. What? We're out of ochas. Then I will have some water. Let's see. Yes. It doesn't have any taste. But mine has. So orangey. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll have an orange juice. Me? No, you was mean to Pinky. You can't. I'm sorry, but you did it, so you cannot. We'll have orange juice. What's happening? Are we out of everything? What's wrong with the blender machine? Is it broken? No, I want oranges. Just one. Sorry, we're out of every. This is... It's okay, Pinky. You can have mine. Thank you. And I can have the blue water. Blue water. It's sweet too. Oh, that was a sweet one. Oh yes, my favorite one. I know. And oranges is my favorite. But strawberry is my favorite too. But we don't have any strawberry juice. Yes, I know. Let's have this. That was delicious. My favorite sports water. Sports water means a kind of juice, but it's from Japan. Sports water is a yummy water. One day I lived there and I live in Japan. So one day I brought this machine. Sports water, yum. You live in Japan, Louis? Yes, but when I come in this country, I start to learn English. Oh. And you was too? Yes, same me. I was in Japan, but then I just have some. When I come in this country, I learned English. Then I love to tell English. That was a phrase. It came from Japan. Yes, I know. Wait, I drink this juice in Japan too. Yes, it's from Japan too. So delicious. So done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.